In this lecture, we're going to study about how to check your IP configuration on your PC or your laptop computer. Now, we start with first opening the command prompt window. In a Windows 7 based computer, you can click on the window button, which is the button down there, and all programs, accessories, then go down to the command prompt, what you see right here, and then you'll be able to open the command prompt window. In a Windows 10 based computer, you can click on the window button, which is the button down there, and then you can go through the options of all apps, Windows, System, then command prompt, which you see is right here. Now, if your computer has a keyboard that is a Windows key included keyboard, which is the one that you see right here, then in Windows 7 or Windows 10, by clicking on that Windows key and also the R button simultaneously, it will automatically open up the run box, as you can see right here. And if you type in CMD, which stands for command, and then click on the OK button, then you will get the command prompt window like this. The next step is to type ipconfig into your command window that you have right here. And that's what I did over there. Then you will get a lot of information as shown in the red box down here. You will get your IPv4 address, IPv6 address, in addition, your subnet mask, default gateway, and more information as you can see down there. You have some options to use, and among them, the /all option is most powerful. It gives you all information related to your IP configuration that you're going to use on your network. And you can see all the information down there. In addition, here are some other options that are more advanced. The release option, to release your PC's current IP information and obtain a new IP address from the DHCP server. Then there's the renew option, to renew your IP address. It can be used if your PC is set to automatic IP address setup mode, which uses DHCP. The display DNS option, which is to show your current DNS resolver cache logs. Then there's the flush DNS, to flush or clear your current DNS resolver cache logs. And then there's the register DNS, to update the DNS settings on your PC. Another powerful function is the ping command, and you use it in a way where you can test the round-trip time from the source PC, which is your PC, to a specified destination PC or a server. Now, the target address that you can write in up there is actually, you can use the target destination's IP address, or you can use the domain name. And here we're using the domain name of www.coursera.org. And the information, as you see down here, will show up. Also, ping has a variety of options. The A option is used to resolve the hostname of an IP address target. The N option, it sets the number of ICMP echo request messages to send. Now, without this option, 4 requests will be sent. Then you have the L option, which also includes, you need to include the size information. This is used to set the size of the echo request packet from 32 octets to 65,527 octets. Remember, 1 octet is 1 byte. Now, without this option, a 32 octet echo request will be sent. Then there's the I option, and it is used to set the time to live value. The time to live maximum value is 255. There's the W option. Now, this is used specifying a timeout value when executing the ping command. It adjusts the amount of time in milliseconds that ping waits for each reply. Without this option, the default timeout value is 4,000 milliseconds. Then we have the P option. It's used to ping a Hyper-V network virtualization provider address. Now, another powerful tool that we have is the trace route. And this command is used as trace RT, and then you put the target address. And you can see that right there. Now, it displays the route and measures the transit delays from the source to the destination. The target address can be an IP address or a domain name, like the domain name we're using right here, www.coursera.org. Now, what happens? Well, this is the type of information that you can obtain. First, each row represents a hop along the route. And the hop number shows the number of hops along the route. Then the RTT shows the round trip time. And the trace route checks the round trip time 3 times for each hop. Then there's the name/IP address, and it's the domain name or IP address for the router. There's the option of H, which includes the max hops, and it specifies the maximum number of hops in search for the target. There's also the W option with timeout to specify the time to allow each reply before timeout in milliseconds. These are the references that I used, and I recommend them to you. Thank you.